Hello there, everyone. Brother Battelle here. Today, talking with you a little bit about something we're going to call Stop, Notice, and Note signposts. And these are really good things, really good strategies that you can use for reading at a deeper, closer level, as well as just, watching movies or noticing stuff in your life. So let me first start by explaining what these notice and note signposts are and why we're doing them. Okay, so first, I kind of want you to just ask yourself, what is a signpost? And I've got a whole bunch of different examples here. So just ask yourself and kind of answer, what's a signpost? Okay, so a signpost is something that people put on the road to help drivers know what's happening or what might be happening so we can be better, safer drivers. If you look at this signpost right up here that exists, the people who put it up are letting the drivers know that it's going to be a windy road with twists and turns, so we might want to slow down and be a little more cautious. Okay, that's what a signpost is. And we can use that in reading as well. Authors use signposts too. So just like there are signposts on the road to let us know what's coming up or what to watch out for, there are signposts in our reading. These signposts tell us about the characters, they tell us about conflicts or problems in the story, and they also tell us about themes or the big picture, life lessons that they want us to learn or that they want us to think about. But the key is that you have to know which signposts to look out for, or you might read right on past them and you might miss something really, really important to help you understand the story better. So, when you're taking a journey through a book or through a movie or just in your own personal life, don't forget to stop at any notice and note signposts. And here you've got a little overview. There are 6 that we want to look out for in fiction, okay? And they're in no particular order or anything like that. The first one that we are going to start with is contrasts and contradictions. And in the next video, you'll see me talk a little more about that. But we also have something called the aha moment. We have another one just called tough questions. We have another, which is called Words of the Wiser. We have something called Again and Again. And lastly, we have the memory moments. So these are the 6 signposts that we want to be on the lookout for. Now with each signpost, we're going to learn one question to ask ourselves. Because whether we realize it or not, when you see a traffic signpost, you already know to ask yourself what it means and what you should do. And when you see one of the 6 notice and note signposts that we're going to be learning about, you want to ask yourself one question that will help you see what it might mean. So, just kind of be aware of this. Be sure to check out the next video, Contrasts and Contradictions, where I go over that first signpost so we know what to look for so we can be better readers or better viewers. See you there.